Struggling to keep up with classes? What if AI could boost your grades fast? Starting now. These 3 tools will change how you study, write, and ace exams. I'll walk you through every step. No stress, no fluff. Don't skip this. It's simpler than you think. Hey there, students. If you're drowning in notes, cramming for tests, or stressing over essays, I've been there. My freshman year, I flunked a history test because my study plan was a mess. My notes were all over the place. Welcome to AI Proisy, your go-to for smarter ways to win at school with AI. Today, I'm diving into 3 AI tools to help you organize your studies, master material, and write like a pro, all to score better grades in 2025. No tech skills needed, just a few clicks. Ready to level up your school game? Let's jump in. First up, Notion AI. This free tool is your ultimate study hub. I used to scribble notes in 5 different notebooks, losing track of deadlines, wasting hours. Notion AI changed everything. Here's how it works. Open Notion. Free plan. Create a page. Call it study plan. Add assignments. Math homework. History essay. Biology quiz. Now, use AI. Click the AI button. Type, summarize my study tasks. In seconds, it organizes them. Math due tomorrow. Essay in 3 days. Quiz next week. I planned a whole semester in 15 minutes. Not 2 hours. Want more? Type, break down my history essay. AI lists steps. Research. Outline. Draft. I stayed on track. Hit every deadline. Notion AI even suggests study blocks. Ask plan 2 hours for biology. It creates a schedule. I aced a quiz because I wasn't rushing last minute. Notion's like a brain upgrade for school. Start free today. You'll feel in control, no chaos. Next tool, Quizlet AI. Your secret to mastering exams fast. Ever spend hours on flashcards, still forgetting key terms? I did, bombing a chemistry test because I couldn't recall formulas. Quizlet AI fixes that in minutes. Here's the deal. Go to Quizlet. Free account. Create a set. Add terms. Say, photosynthesis. Mitochondria. Now, hit AI study. Type, generate flashcards for biology chapter 5. Instantly, it builds 20 cards. Definitions, examples, even images. I made a set for history in 5 minutes, not an hour. Here's the kicker. Quizlet AI creates quizzes. Click Test Me. It pulls questions like, what's ATP? I scored 90% on a bio exam because I practiced smarter. Pro tip. Use AI to summarize. Type, explain photosynthesis simply. You get a clear answer, perfect for review. Quizlet AI is your study buddy, always ready. Try it free. Watch your grades climb. Last but not least, Grammarly AI. Your wingman for writing A+ essays. If you've ever lost points for typos or weak arguments, I feel you. My first college paper came back with red marks everywhere. I was gutted. Grammarly AI turns that around. Sign up for Grammarly. Free version. Paste your essay draft. It catches typos, fixes grammar, suggests better words. Write, the book was good. Grammarly tweaks it. The novel was compelling. I polished a 1,000-word paper in 10 minutes. Not 2 hours. Go deeper. Ask, make my thesis stronger. It rewrites, say, this essay argues X into this essay powerfully demonstrates X. I got an A on a literature paper because my argument popped. For emails to professors, type, draft a polite request for an extension. You get a pro-level message. Grammarly AI makes you sound sharp, no stress. Start free. Your teachers will notice. These tools, Notion AI, Quizlet AI, Grammarly AI, aren't just apps. They're your shortcut to better grades. Organize like a pro, study smarter, write with confidence. I went from C's to A's by working less, not harder. You can start free today. See results by your next test. Let's recap why these matter. Notion AI builds study plans so you never miss a deadline. Quizlet AI creates flashcards and quizzes so you nail exams. Grammarly AI polishes essays so you impress teachers. Together, they give you time. Time to ace classes, hang with friends, or chase your dreams. That's the student life you deserve, right? That's it for today. 3 AI tools to make 2025 your best school year yet. With Notion, Quizlet, and Grammarly, you're unstoppable. Study smarter, score higher, stress less. Which tool's your vibe? Notion for planning, Quizlet for exams, or Grammarly for writing? Drop it in the comments. I read everyone. If this helped, smash that like button. It fuels more hacks. Subscribe to AI Proisy for weekly tips to own your student life.